is my prototype project, which is ADXL wheelchair controlled by Arduino. And today I will present to you about what I have done for my project. So basically, this is my prototype. I am using two DC motor, which is this one. This one is the MY6812, which is using 120 watts, and the torque is 0.5, and it can achieve 7 amp if have the load, and with no load it can have 1 or 2 amp. So basically, I have made the base for this motor. Okay, so this is the bracket for sprocket that have been designed and fabricated, and here this will mount with the sprocket. This sprocket will after mount it will attach to the wheel, so that it can using this chain, the motor will drive this wheel. So for the front wheel, this is the front wheel. Also, I have made the bracket. You can see this bracket that I have made, fabricate, and this I have made because to shoot with the chain, and same with this side. And I have made the measurement with the measurement of the motor to the wheel, so the distance of left and right is same. Okay. So for the back of this wheelchair, this is the control box for this circuit, for this wheelchair, and inside this have the Arduino Nano and the motor driver, L298M motor driver, and this is the battery that I have used to power up this control panel. The capacity of this is 7.2 amp hour, and the voltage is 12 volt. So I will show you inside of this control box. So here you can see, this is the control box, which have Nano and Arduino Nano and the motor driver. So this upside of the box is the NRF 24L01, which is the transceiver module. So basically, this motor will power up the control box. This is the transceiver circuit, which consists of the lithium ion that will be powered up this Arduino Nano, and this is the accelerometer, ADXL 335, and this is the NRF 24, which is act as the transmitter module. So when the accelerometer have the data of the tile, and it will send to the NRF, and NRF will send the data to the receiver module. For your information, this wheelchair have some problem, which is the motor is not suitable for this wheelchair. This motor have the 0.5 Nm, which is not suitable because it can it can drive the wheel. So for example, you can see here, if I move my hand like this, the motor want to move the wheel, but it can't because the torque is not enough to move the wheel. So basically the motor need to change with the high torque, at least 1.5 or 2 Newton-meter, so to move this wheel. So next I will show you the motor move without the chain. Here I will show you the wheelchair, the movement of the motor without the chain. As basically I said just now, the motor is not suitable because the motor does not have the high torque. So when I remove the chain, the motor will move accordingly. So here, if I move my hand to the right like this, to move the wheelchair to the right, so the left motor will move. So, and if to stop, I just need to back to the normal. And for the leftward, and the right motor will move. So basically, when I turn my hand like this, the right motor will move. Then I want to back to normal, just back your hand to the back normal back your hand. And for if I want the wheelchair to move forward, and I just turn my hand like this, and both motor will turn on. So when I want to back to normal, just back to the original. So that's all for my project presentation. So basically many recommendation that I have made to this project. As you can see, this motor does not move so well and so smooth, that because the problem on the top of the motor. And you can change the sprocket as well, the smaller sprocket and the lighter sprocket. And as you can see here, you can, this transmitter circuit, you can small the size of the transmitter circuit, and using the small battery with the complexity, same complexity. So the last one is you can add some servo motor, which is add to the seat behind, so you can adjust the seat freely. So to make sure your backbone is smooth when you drive this wheelchair. So that's all for me. So thank you so much.